So, hello everyone, how are you all? So, today, what we are going to do is we are going to BMW. Like, first of all, let me tell you about the video. So, today, we are going to start bug hunting, like bug bounty hunting on a program that is BMW. So, let me just bug bounty program. So, we have this in integrity. So, like I have already done this, but let me just open it. So we have four these. Just a second, let me just create a cd desktop, and here we'll create a directory that is BMW. Okay, cd BMW. Great. Let me just first close this, and let's see what's inside. We have a configuration file that is BMW. I think we have that here. Let me open burp and get to know that where do we have this BMW pen test and BMW. Okay, desktop. So we have one thing, pen test. Let's just copy this and paste it here. Let's just delete this. So open an existing project, choose the file. So first of all, we'll be going on to desktop and then BMW. Let's just this project, use settings and all that. So first of all, what we are going to do, oh nice, we have already many these programs. So what we are going to do is copy this, and let's just go into this. The second one I think is this one. So let's just open this one also. Let's open the third one, fourth, configure BMW. Okay, and this one also. And the last one is this one. Okay, so we have opened all of these into our like browser. So what we are going to do is we are going to find these and set them to scope. So first of all, BMW motor. Okay, let me do one thing. First of all, let's just intercept on and do this. This request is from any like BMW, this one. So let me just do. Okay, wait. Let me just do one thing. Let's just go to scope and add URLs to scope. So first of all, this will be our first URL. Okay. Nice. First one, then the second one is this one, I think. Yeah. So let's just add that too. Okay. The third one. Okay. Fourth one is this, I think. Yeah. BMW DE. That is fourth. This one. Let's just do one thing. Configure scope and add this to scope. Okay, just a minute. Let me just check if that is, I think, APIs and all that. So first of all, let me just do one thing. Add this to scope. Okay, proxy intercept off. Okay, configure mini dot de. Yeah, this one. So let's just copy this and target. Add this to scope. The third one is 3, 4, 5. So we have done, I think, 5. No, we have done only 4. Configure mini.de, configure mini.de. Okay. Okay, one is BMW, one is BMW. This one. Let's just go to proxy, intercept on, press enter, add this to scope. Okay. HTTPS BMW DE. Okay. And this one. Okay, so we have all these. So you should first like read all of these, like what this program has and everything related to it, so that we get to know what we are on, which program we are, and what are the things that we can perform. Okay, so this is like great. So first of all, what we'll be doing is, mm, I have some like my checklist. I'll just open that and let's see what we can do on this program. So first of all, I just don't want to find any vulnerabilities. I just wanted to, like, you guys know about it, what we can do. Okay. Mm, okay, subdomains.txt. So instead of these subdomains, what we are going to do is we are going to find, like, uh, let me just vim domains.txt, and first of all, let's just copy all of these. Okay, first, then the second, then the third one, fourth one, fifth one, and the last one. Okay, let me just save it and let's see what we can do with this. Okay, so let me just clear it. Instead of subdomains.txt, we need to do domains.txt. Okay, so domains.txt. Let's just try. I think we have done something wrong. Okay, this Nabu is not installed. Let's install it. Nabu. Let us install this. So till then, what we are going to do is we are going to close this burp and all this. So first of all, we'll perform these stuff first. Okay, and let's just try this. Okay, Nabu is not installed. Okay, no issues. Like I think I don't have these set up in my path. So let me just do one thing. I'll just l- break my this. Mm, we can run it from here. Wait, we don't have this Nabu. I've installed it. Why is it not installed? Let's just try and see. Okay, sudo. Let me just its first libcap and try it again. Okay, okay. Now Nabu is installed. Let us just do this. Domains. Okay, okay. Okay, we have found 80 443 443. Okay, okay. Nothing interesting to us. So let's just do. We'll do directory brute forcing afterwards. But right now, what we are going to do is cat domains. Okay, first of all, let's just do domains. We don't have HTTP probe, I think. So let's just install this cat HTTP. Oh wait, domains, and then http prob a new and save it to l- alive.txt. So let's just do this. Okay, so now we have got all the alive subdomains which we can use. So now what we are going to do is cat you are sorry alive.txt, and then gau, I don't know what to pronounce it. I think gao or gao. Okay, so after that, what we are going to do is a new and then save it to a file that is urls.txt. Let's just see what we find here. We'll not be using all of these tools, but let's just try what we can find here. Okay, so right now it's running. Great. We can find many things, like we have found many these URLs, but let's see how much do we have and how many can we find. We will be using like many tools and all that stuff, so I'll be giving like everything which you can do. Also, for this bug bounty methodology which I have created by myself, while going on to internet surfing stuff and finding something useful, so what do I do is I just go to like use a tool that is this Google Keep, and there I like pin those, write about those, and after that when I get time I just try to find whatever I can and try everything. If I feels like it is good and I can use it, so then what I do is I just uh, add those to this methodology. Okay, so let it, like it's taking so much time, but that will be worth it. Okay, let's just see how many we have found. And okay, let's just close it. We can use any other tool too. So cat alive and way back URLs, a new URLs and .txt. Let's press enter. Okay, we have found many more. So let's just try. After that, we'll be using Katana. So we have found many others too. Okay, great. But you need them to run like don't close like me, because I'm just showing it and it will take a lot of time. So that's why I'm just doing this, like closing that. So now what you can do is let it run for another 1 minute, and after that if it's not completed, then I'll close it again. Okay, so till then let's just do Katana. Okay, it's taking more time. Okay, let us close it and cat alive and then Katana, then a new and urls.txt. Let's just see what we can find from here. I think Katana is a bit fast, but let's see what it is and is it really fast or not. So it's finding something. I think let it run. Till then, what we can do is I have a my own search engine, that is bug bounty search engine. I call it. Okay, let's just do copy this and paste it here and find directory listing exposed. Okay, brands.txt. What is this brands.txt? Let's see what does this has. Okay, I think these are all the okay xr and all. These are the models of their what they are giving, what they are selling. Okay, nice. Exposed database, nothing. Exposed log files, backup and all files, login pages. Okay, nice. SQL errors, publicly exposed data. So here we'll find PDFs and like doc files and something like that. You can just find it, read them, and try to find if we can find anything sensitive like any users information, their passwords and all that. Okay, so WordPress, if it's using no backdoors. Okay, you can just try like okay, setup files, English, install manual.html, installation instructions. Okay, it's their installation page. Open redirects, if we can find anything here. Okay, this has return in this return.html. Okay, nice, nothing. You can find some paste bin entities, anything related to this. Okay, someone has these. Okay, you can find employees that are working into this BMW group, and you can launch some attacks on those, find sensitive informations from these guys, try to find any leaked passwords and all that. But like right now I'll not be doing it. Okay, we don't need this subdomains or subdomains. So let's search about it in GitHub. Okay, any issues? mm, okay, so you get the idea what you can find here, like what stuff you can do. Okay, let me just do one thing and find it and URLs. I have seen something that has people. Okay, it is completed, but let's see what we can do here. It's taking more time. We can do percentage 40, I think. URL encoding. Let's just try it. Encoder decoder. Let's just encode it percentage 40. Okay, we didn't find anything. So here we can find something if it's interesting to us. Okay, no problem. We can search Shodan, nothing, no results found. Shodan API info. Okay, no problem. Let's try another one, BMW, this one. directory listing vulnerabilities, exposed configuration files. We have robots.txt. Okay, sitemap.xml. It's great. Like we can find sitemap. Okay, it's also downloading. Okay, robots.txt. Okay, you can store it like the sitemap.xml. So what we are going to do here is, let's vim and info.txt to make notes, and we have found something that is robots.txt, I think. Yes, this one. And inside this we have found a sitemap sitemap that is here. Okay, I've saved it. Let me just close it, remove it. Okay, exposed log files, database. Let's just try login pages. Okay, we have many login pages. Like these are all same, but you get the idea. Like, forgot your password and all that. No cache. Okay, okay. Let's just try find open redirects, external pool, facebook.html. Okay, we can't. Like, let's try for Shodan if anything is there. Let's see if this is their own or not. If it's for BMW and that. Okay, let's try Stock Industries, and let me first log in. Now we can try Shodan. BMW Cloud. This is their own, I think, but we should get to know about it later. We'll be doing like these things, but right now I'm just getting some info if I can get. Okay, let's try this one. Anything configuration files. Let's see if we find anything here. Okay, it's also a site map that is like, I think it will also download, but let's see what happens. Okay, exposed any log files, login pages, SQL errors. Okay, publicly exposed data, so you can just read them. Do we have any login pages? No. Okay, search in Shodan, nothing. Okay, this is their site map that contains only, I think, JPG files. New generation. Instead of JPG, can we find anything else? Let's see. We have only PNG, JPG, and all that. We can look into this. Okay, so let's just try this one. Try to find something. If we have anything sensitive, nothing. Exposed configuration files. Okay, let us see. Let's just remove it. Uh, let's see how many URLs do we have. Oh, nice. We have many URLs. Login pages. Any open redirects? Nothing. Yeah, anything in Shodan? Nothing. Okay. Oh, wait. I This one. Let's just try to find about this. Anything. Okay. Okay. Let's search in Shodan. Nothing. Like I'm just giving you a bit info about it. You can find it later. Backup and all files, login pages, SQL errors, publicly exposed data, anything in open redirects. Okay, anything in Shodan, nothing. Okay, okay, great. So we have found this these all things. You also have some GitHub docs or anything like Google Docs. You can find those. Let's just try to find information disclosure bugs. So let's just do one thing: cat urls and grep, that is .js. Let's just find it. Okay, .js. We have many JavaScript files and a new js files.txt. Okay, so it has some other files too, but that's okay. So what we can do is secret finder. Let me just check if I have that tool or not. So I think I may be having a tools name folder. Secret finder. Yes, 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 I have secret finder, I think. I think I need to do this. Secret.txt. Let me just remove this. Source, uh, my bin activate. Let's just try. Okay, cat desktop BMW, and this has jsfiles.txt. After that, what we'll do is we'll just copy this and till here secret.txt. Okay, wait, sorry. Copy it, and after that, let's, okay, wait, till now, till here, what I'm doing. Okay, done. Let us just try. Okay, syntax error, cat secret.txt. Let me read it. If cat document while redo. Okay, okay, okay. Python secret finder and URL. Let's just, okay, we have, let's just do till here. Cat, what I am doing wrong. Python 3, do Python 3. Okay, dash I. I think I'm doing something wrong and I'm not finding it. Python 3 dash I URL dash O CLI secret finder. I'm so sorry why it's not working. I don't uh, find any issue here, but like it can be. Okay, let's just do secret finder. Let's just try this, and Python 3 secret finder. Okay, I think my internet connection is a bit slow. Let me just check if anything is wrong or not. Let me just, okay, I don't see any issue here while read. Okay, wait. I think I found it. Dash I URL dash OCLI and secret.txt. I think I'm not using this while read. Okay, I got the issue. So let's just do one thing that we can try. Like, I have used this chat GPT because I'm not understanding why is it having the issue. So it told me that you can try, okay, this, and let me just copy this first. Okay, okay, now I think it will work. Wait, what happened? Bash syntax do. Okay, let me just copy that from there only, and let's just try this. Okay, now it's working. I think there is some syntax problem. I didn't find it. I'm so sorry. I'm just a noob. Okay, let it run and let's see if we find anything. Okay, yeah. So secret.txt, we have found it. API instead authorization API. Okay, okay, okay. So we'll be using like that. We'll be using chat GPT 2 for this, so that it helps us, okay, to find anything, because you know that AI is very helpful. So please don't write and comment that you don't know, because I know that I don't know. So, but yes, you can use these type of tools. Okay, let's see if we find anything from here. We can find the secrets. So I hope, let it run, and we'll do this in our next video. I'll try to do it in the next video, because this video is already very long. So I hope you guys will like it. If you did, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Also, I'm so sorry for these silly mistakes, because I'm like not doing it currently, and I'm not into practice and all that. But I'm so sorry for these. So okay, I hope you liked the video. If you did, please like the video, subscribe to my channel if you are new to it, and let's meet in another video. Until then, bye bye, and thanks for watching.